How to deal with experienced teachers if you're a neophyte leader? That's a great and very interesting question. Leading experienced teachers as a new or young leader can feel intimidating, but it's also a huge opportunity to build credibility and strong relationships. Here are some practical strategies. Number one, show respect for their experience. Acknowledge their years of service and the value they bring. Avoid coming across as if you're replacing their wisdom with your authority. Invite their input during the planning or discussions. This makes them feel heard and valued. Number two, lead with humility, not ego. Admit that you don't know yet and be open to learning from them. Show that you're not afraid to ask for advice. Experienced teachers will respect honesty more than pretending to know everything. Number three, build trust before pushing change. Spend time listening and observing before making big decisions. Try to understand the culture of the school and the dynamics among staff. When you do make changes, explain the rationale clearly and connect it to shared goals like student success. Number four, be clear and consistent. Experienced teachers can see through uncertainty and inconsistency. Communicate expectations clearly, apply rules fairly, and follow through on commitments. Number five, empower them as leaders. Give them role in committees, mentorships, and projects. Frame it as a partnership. With your experience, I'd value your leadership in this initiative. This turns potential resistance into ownership. Number six, focus on collaboration, not control. Use collaborative structure like professional learning communities or school learning action cells. Encourage shared decision making rather than top down directives whenever possible. And lastly, balance respect with authority. While showing humility, don't be afraid to stand firm on non negotiables. Example, safeguarding students, ethical standards, and policies. The key is to enforce rules respectfully and consistently, never in a way that feels personal. In short, listen more, learn alongside them, and lead with clarity and respect. When experienced teachers show that your leadership is rooted in service, fairness, and a genuine desire to help both teachers and students succeed, they're far more likely to support you. That's the end of our short advice today here in I Teach channel. Remember, I teach, you learn in I Teach channel.